crazy. I go. Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. Yeah. I'm AI with the designs, do rag. Bounce back, game good while we talking practice. Yeah. Pull up score when I want to. Best thing next to heaven. They be tryna count me out though. I'm just counting blessings. A real woman by the paper. Niggas don't know where I came from. Where I really came up. You never could say I'm lacking. All the shit I've been through only made me more of an assassin. I kill 'em with compassion. And baby, if they asking, tell 'em I go crazy. I go crazy. Live for the challenge, only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on them. I go crazy.
Do you think I'm crazy? I spent over 80 on a watch and a bracelet. I'm like an alien. Fuck a Mercedes. I came in a spaceship, don't call me crazy. I was stuck in the basement with a pen and a paper, lost the eraser. I made a mistake and I told you I hate you. Everything I do it cause I never had shit. Couple niggas tried to screw me over, had to learn how to use a ratchet. Couple bitches had me fucked up, had to learn how to be savage. Had to learn not to fuck with her just because she was the baddest. These streets don't love no one, don't get caught up in traffic. I just wanna smoke one, so can you roll up and pass it? I love Louis fabric, I just bought a jacket. 20-something hundred more than your casket. I kill 'em with swagness, my bitch is the baddest.